Baby bus.
Do it with Quacky! Mom!
What's the matter, Quacky?
Quacky loves cleaning! Quacky wants to clean the room with Mom!
Okay.
Oh.
The bookshelf is a bit messy. You can tidy up the bookshelf first.
No problem! Leave it to me! Hey! What? It looks weird. Which one should not be placed on the bookshelf? That's right! The bowl should be in the box. What? Here's something different, too. Kids, do you know which one it is? That's right! The sock is different from everything else in here. What? Look how good I am! Put it here, put it there, and the room will become immediately clean. Mom, Quacky has already tidied up the room.
Quacky is great. Now the room is so clean.
Quack, 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 quack.
Kids, you can also check out to see if there are any toys in the wrong place at home.
Hey,